Introducing the Softears. Twilight IEM appears to be a lineup replacement for the more expensive, heavier, and now discontinued Touri. Features an all-new 10mm DLC domed single dynamic driver. The housing retains the same shape as its predecessor, but the weight of the same shell has been reduced by 60%. Each housing now weighs just 6 grams each. In fact, they feel light in the hand. Additionally, like its Touri and Moondrop illumination predecessors, the Twilight offers fairly good ventilation with 5 slotted front vents. Stick around until the end. The product link is in the description, and you can check for the best price. Let's dive in. Let's talk about its build quality. The body is made of high-grade aluminum alloy for the aviation industry, making it sturdy yet lightweight. After processing using high-precision 5-axis CNC engraving machine tools from China, post-processing of the anodizing process is carried out. Compared to Touri, the weight is reduced by 60%, and one side weighs only 6 grams. Its overall design. So, two things that stand out about Twilight are its design and the materials used to create it. This is a very unique-looking monitor with a rectangular wedge form factor on the front, and the main driver housing below it, combined with a nozzle running vertically across the front. Comfort and isolation. Now, let's go back to the connector placement I mentioned earlier. Because they are located on top of the front wedge plate, rather than on the sides, when the Twilight shells are placed on your ears, they run from top to bottom or long and narrow rather than wide and horizontal upon initial insertion. I found the Twilight shell to be very comfortable compared to the aluminum shell due to its narrow vertical placement. Its stock cable. The Twilight uses a 1.2 meter 6 NFC cable with a 4-core construction terminated with 4.4 millimeter Pentacon balanced termination. And on the other side, a standard 2-pin 0.78 millimeter connector that slots neatly into a recessed port on the top of the shell. Its tips. You get a decent range of ear tips with the Twilight, which features a mix of single-flange silicone and a variety of tightly contoured foam tips that feel almost like a hybrid design. There are a total of 3 variants, all available in 3 sizes to suit small, medium, and large ears. The first thing that catches your eye is the 3 pairs of translucent UC, or for ultra-clear tips, a set of 3 black single-bore silicone followed by foam tips. Now, the goal is to get the Twilight nozzle as far down the ear canal as possible, so I'll set aside my general size preferences here. That's it for today's rundown of Softears Twilight IEM. We hope this helps you choose the right one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.